Today traders, I'm Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading, and today we're going to be talking about the significance of the London Forex market. This is a critical time for people if they're day trading or interested in day trading. This is a really important time in terms of looking at specific pairs of currencies that have the potential for large moves or strong moves once the London Forex market opens. There's virtually three main market sessions that trade throughout the 24-hour Forex market. Asia, which is traditionally the lowest of the three sessions, London, which is the largest of the three sessions, and then the New York market, which is in the middle. Now, the London market typically will explode onto the scene somewhere around the 2 a.m. New York Eastern Standard Time, and often in a large majority of the days will set a high or a low for the London market hours between that first 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. First 3 hours. Now, one of the things that's critical is that if you're looking for an opportunity with a short amount of time in terms of your schedule, and you're looking for an opportunity to where a lot of the most explosive moves may occur, you want to be looking at that London market open. Think of it like a horse race. When the gates pop open and the horses shoot out, oftentimes the London market, when the volume and liquidity increase and the order flow explodes onto the market, we see some dynamic shifts often in the pound cross pair. So you've got the pound US, the pound yen, the pound Aussie, the pound New Zealand, the pound Swiss, pound Canadian. They all potentially offer a large trading range that could potentially explode on and make a move either with a breakout or in that first couple of hours establish a range and then maybe even a reversal breakout. But it's a critical time if you're day trading in that first 2 to 3 hours where you could essentially capture a move 3 to 4 days a week, ranging from 25 to 50 to maybe 100 pips on big days, where once that pound starts to move, it really takes off and goes. Oftentimes it may move right off the open and then trade into a range, but there's still 25 to 50 pips of tradable activity there. But it's a critical time for traders if they're looking for explosive moves. You want to be looking at the London market around that 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. New York time. The volume and liquidity explodes. It's the London market's responsible for the bulk of the world currency trading, and I'm guesstimating it's somewhere in the area of 60 to 70% if I'm correct, and I think Asia is around 10%, and the New York session, US session, is 20 to 30%. So it's a fairly significant amount of volume and liquidity that comes into the market, and what that offers is traders the opportunity to participate in fairly dynamic moves, but also the liquidity to be in and out of the market without a lot of gapping and spiking of moves depending on the time frame you're trading. Me personally, I look at the hourly charts, I look at the opening range of the London session, I use the levels from the previous US session or Asian session and the previous day's Europe session to look for potential levels of support and resistance to where that market may either continue to trend, may find resistance or support, and then may also find an area that it reverses off of and moves the other way. The other thing that's critical about the London market is that often there'll be UK announcements or Europe announcements around the 4:35 a.m. time of New York. So that's something else to be aware of. Those news impact announcements could also create volatility in the market. So if you are in the market, always manage the downside. Use your position sizing and your money management rules. Always apply those. But it's a fantastic opportunity, a great time. If you can hone those skills and get good at trading those market hours, it can offer you huge trading potential. So hopefully this has given you some good insight into trading the London market. Again, print off your own charts or go through on your charting system that 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. New York Eastern Standard Time. In a large majority of the cases, in one of those first 3 hours, we'll often see a buying or a selling extreme established for usually the rest of the European market hours and potentially even the rest of the 24-hour market session. So hopefully you got some value out of today's video, traders. Again, if you like it, share it on Facebook. But again, I always appreciate your comments and your feedback. Take a look at the London market open 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. New York. Thanks, traders, and may the markets go with you. Hi, traders. It's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High-Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.